Welcome to my apiary. Today is December 21, 2021. December 21. You may know that as winter solstice. This is a little bit of a companion video to go along with the video I made last June 21. I showed you how in the north here the sun made a glow in the sky all night and then came up over here somewhere in the morning. That was very early too when I came up. So today, the 21 of December, I just wanted to show you it is almost 12 o'clock, so the sun is almost, probably practically as high as it's going to be in the sky. This is noon. This is noon at 50 degrees latitude. Look how high that sun is. It's hardly over the shed there. And it's so bright out here I can hardly see the screen. So it's about minus 18 C. It's not too bad on the fingers for a while. That all depends on, well, it depends on humidity, which it's always very dry here in the winter. Generally very dry anyway. And whether or not it's windy. There's a very slight breeze out of the northwest. So it's not too bad. I can feel a little bit of cold on my face, but it's not so bad. The bees are tucked away in the bee barn here. The ventilation fan there has not been running much at all because likely the heater has been keeping the building at 3.5 degrees, which is perfect. 3.54 degrees, perfect. Half a degree C is less than 1 degree F. So not much more to say. I just realized I'm out here working outside on the 21st of December, and it's almost noon, and I wanted to show you how much of a look at where the sun is right there. pretty low for as high as it's going to get today, and I guess technically higher tomorrow, but really not much. That's winter in Manitoba. So very calm and quiet out here. This will likely be the only video I make in this season for a little while, just because there's winter. There's not much happening. Get the wood shop going here hopefully in January. Got some projects lined up to do in there, which will be fun. And then once the weather gets warm, I got a surprise for you guys. There's something kind of new that I've got cooked up that I'll be doing. So I'm going to leave you in suspense to see what that is. You have to keep watching every single video, every minute of every video, so you don't miss anything. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's actually nice being out here because it's been so cold. And not as cold, but windy. It's been pretty windy lately. The snow is crunchy under my boots. And there's the big guy just hibernating for the winter. I haven't had to clear much snow. I think I cleared snow one time. It really didn't need very much. So we don't have that much snow. I think Ian got a lot of snow. We didn't get what he got. But what can I say? So in that case, today's the day to wish y'all. Is it y'all or you all? I guess it depends. Wish you all Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas 2021. Which a lot of us in 2020 didn't think we'd make it even this far. And I hope 2022 is really good to everybody. And I hope you're good to everybody. I'm not always good to everybody. I do try. I know it's important. We all fail here and there, but doesn't mean we have to stop trying, right? Do your best. I try to do my best. And I really appreciate all of y'all watching my videos. Standing here with snow on the ground and minus 18, and I'm saying y'all. Something's wrong with that picture. Can't wait to get back to the bees. The bees are looking okay in the building there. Short days. Days get longer now for 6 months. So we'll be at the bees soon. So have a great winter. Happy New Year. Have fun.